What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're creating a still life drawing of a cup and saucer. Welcome back everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson I have a small sketch pad and a pencil, and for most of my drawings I like to go with a 2B pencil, but you're welcome to use whatever you'd like. If you've ever taken an art class or course, you'll know that the cup and saucer is one of the first subjects you'll explore drawing. So the first thing you want to do is define the basic shape of the cup. So let's start at the top. We're going to draw an oval. Starting from the top in the middle, just going to roughly work our way around, just drawing this elongated oval. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to come back and just modify the shape later. Now from here, we're going to connect the ends with a half circle. We're going to come down, just round at the bottom, and then back up towards the right. Now let's draw a larger oval across the bottom for the saucer. We're going to start on the left side. Now we're going to be seeing the saucer from the top down a little bit more than the top of this cup. So it's going to be a little bit wider, coming down, and then back in. You can actually overdraw on top of the cup, just so you get this consistent curve going all the way around. Now we're going to draw a smaller oval in the center, just for that little bevel. And then all the way over on the right side, we're going to draw the handle. We just want to draw the shape. We're going to go around and then back in towards the side. Now that we have the basic shape of our cup, I'm going to go back and erase that line inside the cup. Just clean this up a little bit along the outside. And then I'm going to move to the tip of my pencil and just define the edges. So we're going to start with the top. Just going to clean up that curve going around. Let's go around the outside edge, just rounding out the corners. Just curve that back in toward the middle. Now along the top, I'm going to draw a thick edge. So I'm not going to combine this to the edge of our oval. We're going to step in. And trace the top coming in, and then fade that out. Come across the front edge, and then back up. Now this back side up here is where the highlight's going to hit the cup. Now let's add some thickness to that handle. We're going to start from the outside, going up, and all the way around, and then in. Now on the inside, we're going to step down. It's going to round this out, go up and around, and then back in towards the side of the cup. And we're going to smooth out the saucer. Just add that bevel. And we'll go back and do another cleanup of our drawing. Now once we're happy with the contour drawing, I'm going to go in and start adding some shadows. Now the lights come from the top of our drawing coming across, so the shadows sit along the bottom edge with the highlights across the top. So let's start with the inside of the cup. It's going to darken up the left side using the side edge of our pencil. It's going to darken that up and then fade that as you come across towards the right. And I want to leave that little gap across the top for a highlight. I'm just going to go lighter as you come across. I'm also going to darken up the right side a little bit and then fade it over towards the left. Now I want to draw a shadow edge across the front of the cup. So I'm just going to trace this out lightly, going all the way across and back up on the right. Now from that line, I'm just going to lightly shade this coming down with a medium shade. We don't need to go all the way down towards the bottom, so go back and work our way from the bottom going up. Now over on the right side, we're going to darken this up. Darken up that edge, and then fade that in towards the middle. Now this is the first layer of shadows we're going to create. We're going to come back and just smooth this out. Now the shadow is going to hit the bottom of our cup. So we're going to darken this up, and then fade that up. And this is the contact point with the saucer. Darken up that bevel on the inside of that oval. And we're going to darken up the top of that handle, just along the inside. And let's darken up that bottom edge, going around and then down. And this is where the highlight's going to hit. Let's go to the bottom, darken up the bottom of the handle, across the bottom, and then blend that up. Darken up the left side, and blend that in. Now this cup is going to cast a reflection across the saucer. So we're going to start from the bottom left, bend this out and in. Go to the right side and do the same thing, going around. Now we want to leave a gap across the bottom for another highlight and reflection. Just darken up that center area. I'm also going to add a little reflection over on the left side. I'm just going to curve this around and back and darken that up. Let's add another one down here. Just coming in, darken up the inside. Let's go over towards the right. I'm just going to add a little curvy line, a little reflection that's warped on this side. And you want to darken up the bottom of the saucer in towards the middle. And add a little bit of thickness across the bottom. Now I'm going to go back and start observing the different shades inside our shadows. So let's start back on the left side. We're just going to darken this up. And again, just fading that across towards the right. We're just sort of smoothing this out as we go. Let's add a little bit of a reflective curve over on the right, inside the cup. So adding a little reflection in the center. I just want to smooth this out. So I'm just going to blend this up across the back, just to round out that back edge. Now let's go back to the front. Let's darken up that corner. Now I want to add a little bit of reflection along the side. So I'm just going to pull this line in, darken that up on the right side of that line, and then fade that across. Let's go over towards the right side. From the top, just going to darken up that edge, bring that all the way across and then in, right up there, darken up the top, and then again just fading that in. Now I'm just going to add some reflection inside, so just curving this down and up, add a medium shade to that top curve area, work our way down the side of the cup. Another reflective line going across. I'm sort of reflecting the edge of the table inside our scene. Darken up the bottom and then fade that in. I'm going to add a little bit of a lip across the bottom of the cup. And down and then back up. Right in here along that curve, I want to add a little bit of a highlight. Just going to trace that out. Just going to add a light shade around that highlight. Also adding a little highlight across the bottom, the handle. Let's go back and enhance those shadows and reflections. Now I'm just going to place a shadow underneath that saucer on top of our surface. I'm just going to lean this over towards the right side, just stretching this out. So adding a bit of a shadow of the cup coming down. Just going to fade that out. And go back and just darken up that contact point. Now I want to go back and just increase our contrast. As I get closer to the end, I'm just going to clean up my shadows and details, and always be sure to sign out artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a simple still life drawing of a cup and saucer. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.